If you want to achieve what has never been done before, you need ambition. This is what brings you from what if to let's do it. So the question is, can you fully recover polyester textile waste, such as from a bike jersey? To make this fiber-to-fiber process feasible, the R&D teams of 3 companies joined forces. Sportstex, who specialize in the production of sportswear, Radici Group, with their many years of experience in circular economy, and Pureloop, a company specializing in man-made fiber recycling machines. Shimano was the first company to embrace this sustainability project, when it branded the first jersey coming from this supply chain collaboration. The first step in this chain is the sorting of used garments at Aerotex. Thanks to their process-specific procedures, Aerotex make it possible to recycle fibers, with the aim of developing a real industrial process. What follows is shredding and extruding with machinery from Pureloop, a company within the Erema Group. Before pelletizing, the IV level of the feed material is increased to the same level as virgin material. The next step is to produce yarn from the recycled pellets at Radici Group, where the R&D people are able to optimize the spinning process to obtain high-quality fibers that satisfy both technical and environmental specifications. The yarn is then knitted into fabric. The garment itself is then made and customized by Sportstex, which is part of Tex Market Group. Once scaled up, this sustainable circular economy technology will make it possible to easily produce recycled polyester garments that, at the end of their life, can be recovered again. Thanks to this project, the partner companies proved the feasibility of circular economy with recycling projects that commoditize materials otherwise considered as waste, reducing the environmental impact of the textile sector.